Are you trying to get more viewers on YouTube through your hashtags and your keywords? Yeah, me too. So let's go along this journey together and let me show you the best way to optimize your channel to get more viewers. Well, hello everyone, it's Daniel with Website Candy, and today I want to talk to you guys about YouTube and optimizing your channel and getting more keywords. Right here in my description where you're allowed about 5,000 characters, if you notice right in here, I always add hashtags at the very bottom, and I try to max this out to 5,000 characters 100% for sure. Now, if I scroll down here, you'll notice that I have tags that are related directly to this video, okay? The difference between these tags and these tags right up here, this goes with every video that I shoot off. This tags right here are 100% related to this video right here. And if you read right in here, it says that if your content in your video is commonly misspelled, otherwise, tags play a minimum role in helping viewers find your video. So this is not the secret sauce when it comes to people finding your video. If you click learn more, it opens up this little article right here. And here's where I want you to focus your eyes and attentions to right here. Forget everything else. Your video's title, thumbnail, and description are more important pieces of metadata for your video's discovery. So right over in here, this is nice and all, this may help and all, but right up in here, all this information that I have here, as far as this paragraph and maxing out these 5,000 words, my thumbnail and my title is what's most important to get viewers. I'm working on this. Come along the journey with me. Let's do this together. Let's get more viewers on YouTube. How am I getting more viewers on YouTube? Right over here with my friend ChatGPT. I asked ChatGPT to give me keywords for specific things all the time. I asked ChatGPT to write me different things all the time. So right over here is where you can add the meat and potatoes to your description. All kinds of different things. ChatGPT and AI can be your best friend. I want to show you this real quick right here when I go to my settings and I go to upload defaults. Right here, I have this little story that goes with every video. I do believe you get about 5,000 characters like I mentioned before. So I don't have this completely filled up because whatever I make a video about, I'm going to add that blurb from ChatGPT to this right over here to that video and give it some meat and some substance so my video can be found. These hashtags right here are more or less a focus of more than anything. This is all about your channel. This is helping your channel be found. And I actually have to go through edit this right here because I just noticed that I added a hashtag on some of those, but I don't want hashtags there. So I'm going to go back and fix that here in the future. However, here's another quick and easy way that I'm able to kind of get a lot of things on my clipboard and make this happen. I covered this in a video before. I will add the annotation above here, but when I hit Command-Shift-J as my shortcut, you can see there I have boom, boom, boom. If I hit 1, I can go to 1. And if I keep hitting that right there, you'll notice that I have up to 100 things on my clipboard. So it's real easy for me to add things to my descriptions really, really quickly and really, really fast. Okay, so make sure you like the video, make sure you subscribe, and leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about this video. All right, thanks for watching. Goodbye.